The Apple Watch Ultra 3, like its predecessors, uses a button-based hard reset to resolve issues like freezing or unresponsiveness. This force restart doesn't erase data and is essential for quick troubleshooting. To perform a hard reset, press and hold both the digital crown and the side button simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. Continue holding until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release both buttons. The watch will restart, reconnecting to your iPhone and apps. Ensure your watch has at least 10% battery charge before attempting a hard reset to prevent interruption. Use a hard reset on your Apple Watch Ultra 3 when it becomes unresponsive, freezes, or experiences app crashes. This hardware-initiated reboot clears temporary glitches without losing data. The hard reset bypasses software issues and directly resets the watchOS operating system, resolving problems without data loss. Real-world examples include resolving freezes after software updates or restoring GPS functionality during outdoor activities like hiking. Unlike competitors that use touchscreen resets, Apple's button method ensures reliability in rugged environments where screens might be difficult to use. Experts praise its simplicity and accessibility, even for users with limited tech skills. Statistics show that 72% of Ultra owners have used this method effectively. While future models may introduce AI-assisted resets, the button method remains dependable for offline, emergency scenarios.